Hi all, welcome to our channel called Tech Madness. Today we will go into one of the Flutter problem is that how to scroll to specific position in list view. So this is the topic where the Flutter native widgets are not covered. For that we have to create, or we can say that we have to use the library for it. So that we have to declare inside the pubspec.yml. So that is the name of the lib. It is called as scroll to index and this is their version. So once you sync that, you have to use inside your code. So the code is already written by me, so I am just going to explain you just to save the time of this tutorial, so not be too longer. So first of all, you have to use the auto scroll controller. It extends, or you can say that it is a property extends by the scroll controller. So the auto scroll controller have the properties of the scroll controller, and the scroll controller is basically used for the widgets like scrolling, grid view, the list view, where the scrolling is performed. But what auto controller comes with is that the additional offset values, which actually decides the scroll position inside the list view. So just you have to declare the controller like this with their scroll direction and all. So our scroll direction is vertical, so which we declared here. You can see that. And the next, we just have to declare the normal list view, which we declared other time. And here is our scroll direction. So scroll direction is nothing but the axis is vertical, so that we have to declare inside the list view anyhow. Then we have to generate the list. So the most important thing is that here it's auto scroll tag. So the why tag is important here, because the every list view item has the same element, or you can say that the render item which is rendering, but you need specific tag for the specific element, so that we can just identify what kind of tag it is. So for that we use the value queue, and the index which we are getting here inside from this, it is unique. So for the first element, for the first index, you can see that the value key will be 0, for the next one it will be 1, 2, and like this for the 20th element. So all these will be unique. So this is just how we have to use it. Again I am repeating is, first we have to declare the scroll controller, and the second one is we have to just use the scroll direction, which is our axis vertical. And the third thing is that we have to use the auto scroll tag, which provided by the dependency scroll to position, which we I think scroll to index. So that is the dependency we have to declare here. And the main and most of the important thing which is here is called as scroll to index method. So we will call this from our floating auction button. So you can see that I am here actually rendering all the container values. So here I use the container with height of 100 and giving that color as a red. So you can see that the all 20 items is having the same color, right? So I have to scroll to specific position. So how I am going to do that? So from the click of the floating action button, I am calling the method called scroll to index. So what scroll to index will do? It will use the controller and have that method called scroll to index. So I am going to scroll to position to 6 from begin. So once I clicked here, so I am going to click here. So you can see that the list will automatically scroll to index 6. So these things are not available Flutter internally. For that we have to use the library. So I hope I am able to explain you properly. So if you have any questions, please add in the comment section, and please do subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you guys.